Hey everybody, what's up? It's iBREBEAUTY, and I know you guys see how bomb these locks look. So if you are interested in how I achieve this style, then just keep on watching. Hey everyone, it's iBREBEAUTY. If you are new to my channel, hey, I'm Bree. If you're not new, welcome back to my channel. I know you guys are looking at me like, hey, she looks different. What's going on? Obviously, I have a new hairstyle. I don't have my glasses on. I have lashes on. I don't know how people wear lashes every day because it's like tickling right here and my tear duct a little bit, but they cute as well. So basically today I'm coming to you with a tutorial on this hairstyle. I know you guys probably seen a lot of videos on YouTube of girls doing these butterfly distressed locks, and I just decided to do them. Honestly, I love how they look, and I was like, ooh, I really want to try that hairstyle. And I was debating on if I wanted to or not, being that I am 9 months pregnant now. I know like my energy is like up and down, so I knew it would take me a long time, but I was like, you know what, I'm gonna do it because I really wanted to try this style. This is how it looks, guys, and I love it. And it's not perfect, it doesn't supposed to look perfect. It's distressed locks. They came out bomb to me, to be honest. For my first time doing it, I really am feeling them. So basically, the hair that I use is this Freetress Waterwave 22-inch in the color 2, and I used about 7.5 packs. I put like a lot of parts in my hair and my hair is really thick. I didn't want my parts too big or too small, so they're like medium-sized parts, but I just have really thick hair. In total, I think I have 55 locks in my head. So I'll show you guys. This is from the front, this is from the side, this is the back. I just decided to do this now actually because I wanted my hair in a protective style because, you know, I'm getting close to my due date. Back to what I used. I just used a regular comb like this to do my parting. I'm not gonna go into detail about like how I did my parts and stuff, but I did show briefly how my parts looked before I started installing the locks. And then obviously you need a crochet needle to install the hair. And then I just used some Edgewax, Murray's Edgewax for my edges. They probably not laid no more because I'm sweating in here. It's hot with this light. My son keep coming in the room, in and out the room. Too much going on. I also use this Shine and Jam to part my hair. Really helps to like, you know, even out your parts and stuff like that. Overall, this hairstyle took me, it was a 3-day process. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. The first day I just braided down my natural hair. That took about 2 hours. And the next day I started doing the locks, and I finished to like about here. I probably would have finished it all in one night, but I ran out of hair. The next day I had to go back to the beauty supply store and buy 2 more packs of hair to finish up this front part. I would say if I did it all in one day, it probably would have took like maybe 7 hours because as I said, I was taking my time. Like, I'm not about to come on here and lie to y'all and say, hey, this hairstyle took 5 hours, because it did not. It's really not that heavy at all. Just like, you know, a cute summer fun style that you could do. It's very easy. I'm gonna show you guys next in the tutorial how I specifically wrap the locks and stuff like that. That's about it for this intro. So make sure you stay tuned. See you. All right, everyone, let's get right into this tutorial. So right here, I'm just showing y'all how my parts are looking. They are not perfect, but they look decent, and my locks are gonna cover it anyway, so your parts do not have to be perfect, guys. And then I'm just showing you right here that I am separating the Waterwave hair. I use 2 pieces for each lock, so yes, go ahead and stretch out that hair, and then I'm gonna go ahead and install it with my crochet needle, which is very simple. Alright guys, so after the needle gets through the other side, you're going to go ahead and pull one side of the hair all the way through. Now, when you start to wrap your lock, please grip it and wrap tightly, maybe like 3 or 4 times around the root This is going to help your locks last. And as you can see, the further down I'm going on the lock, the looser I'm wrapping. This is going to give your hair definition. It's going to give it that distressed look that you're going for. As you can see right here, I'm getting hype at how it's coming out because I am loving it. Now when you get to the bottom of your lock, just go ahead and like flip it back up, making a small loop, and then you could just start wrapping the hair going back up the lock. Okay guys, so this is how my first lock came out. I decided to go back and add a little bit more hair. So what I did was cut one of the pieces of the hair in half and just use that to just tighten up the lock a little bit more because it was a bit loose. So it helped to tighten up the lock, and then it also gave it some more definition. So you will see at the end that it does look a little bit better. Okay, now for this second lock, I decided to try a different method. Basically, I just put my natural braid through the loop of the Waterwave hair and then just like tied a knot. So after I got to the end of this lock, I realized that the base of it wasn't very tight. So I just went ahead and added another piece of hair to tighten the lock. So this is my hair almost done. Just showing you guys how it's looking. Y'all already know my little boy always have to come in my videos and say hi. So that's him. Yeah, and I'm just showing you guys how it's looking so far. And now at this point, I only have 2 locks left, and I just wanted to show you guys the method that I end up doing for majority of my locks, because at this point, I know, exactly what I was doing. I figured out my way of doing it, what works for me best and everything like that. So just sit back and watch and enjoy. As you guys can see clearly right here, the way I am twisting my hand to make the locks, I'm using my thumb as a guide to twist over the hair basically. This is gonna make the twisting process easier for you. So yeah, just make sure you use your thumb to kind of guide you while making the locks. And I'm showing you close up again here how I make the loop at the bottom of the lock and start twisting back up. When you get to the end, you're gonna go ahead and make a knot. So that's gonna basically lock in and secure the lock. this point, I wanted this lock a little bit longer, so the way I extended it, I basically made a loop like where the lock had ended off, and that gave me like a base to wrap more hair around. So then after that, I just continued to wrap down until I got to the bottom, and then I did my usual loop at the bottom and then started to twist back up again. Alright, you guys, you made it to the end of this video. This is how my hair came out. This is the final look. It is beautiful. These are my ButterflyDistressedlocs. I love how they came out, and yeah, I'm just showing you guys the final outcome. Okay guys, this concludes the end of this video. Please let me know if you did this style yourself before, or if you're thinking about doing it. Hopefully this video is helpful to you. As I said, it's just such a cute style, really nice. I will see you guys in my next video. Make sure to like, share, comment a yellow heart if you enjoyed this video, and subscribe if you enjoy my content. And I will see y'all in the next one. Peace.